Hello viewers, today I will solve one more question of an array, which is an easy problem of a array. This is a missing number. You just have to find the missing number in an vector. So the approach in my mind is that first I will count the index sum, and then I will also find the sum of an element, and after that I just have to subtract this. Okay. So first I create a sum element which is initialized with a 0 and sum id is equals to 0. And then I will traverse to the vector. I will find the sum of an element and index sum also. And after that there is a one more, means there is an element. So I just have to add one more index which is equals to nums dot size. And after that I just have to minus the index with some element. Let's run this code whether it is running properly or not. So this code is running properly. Let's submit it. Yeah, this is submitted. Thank you for watching.